If you're a beginner video editor who edits content for YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or short form videos, in this video, I'm going to teach you the fastest way to add stylized captions to your video using this free to try AI Claude plugin built for Premiere Pro. It can create stylized captions for you in just a click of a button. And the best part, as I mentioned, is completely free to try. Let's go. All right, guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. I got a reel of myself. The AI Claude plugin that we're gonna be using today is called AutoEdit Creator Mode. To access it, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click Auto Edit, and it'll just pop up just like this. This plugin is completely for free, but in order to download it, you have to go to AutoEditAI.net, and then you just go ahead and create a new account and sign up for the free trial and download it. It's completely free to try out and test. There's no risk whatsoever, and it's super easy to use. Let's dive right into it. So right now I have the Claude plugin pulled up. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Captions button. And now you can see instantly it pulls up a bunch of different stylized captions in some of our favorite creator styles like Hormozi, you can do Abdaal, and just a bunch of other cool styles. But the coolest thing is if you don't like any of these styles, you can actually go ahead and make your own. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start with a very simple template. We're gonna do one word, and then we can go ahead and change it for adjusting, you know, the font. We can adjust the color, the weight, the size, etc. Now, there's a bunch of other cool stuff like effects and background box. So let's go ahead and just start with selecting one of these templates. We're gonna go ahead and pick one word right here. And now I'm just gonna click the Review and Generate button. Now what it's gonna do is it's going to listen to my entire transcript. Now it's gonna determine what is being said in this video. Now the coolest thing about this is that this AI model is super accurate. It's not using the standard basic Premiere Pro transcriber. It's not using any local models on your computer. It's using the latest up-to-date ElevenLabs and Claude models to transcribe what your video is saying. And then from there, you'll get a super accurate transcription with names, like actual intent of what you're saying, any updated new slang or lingo, it'll have it all corrected. Like honestly, I rarely have to do any correcting in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait for this to load out, and then it'll create our transcript for us. And boom, just like that, it is done. And we can go ahead and expand this view just so it's a lot bigger. And you can see we got a lot of stuff going on here. Let's go ahead and adjust it. So first things first, you can see all of the transcripted captions that it pulled. And you can see the cool thing is I can actually go ahead and like delete any of the captions that I don't want. So if I don't want this, like if I don't want any of these filler words or repeats, I can just go ahead and delete them. Like, oh, so quick story time. I just delete this first one and I can delete it, and boom, just like that, we have no more captions for that. So it's really cool in the fact that we can adjust it like this. Now the other cool thing is that you have a preview of what is being shown and then also where the caption would be on your video. So if I want to make it smaller, I can adjust the size, and then I can just go ahead and reposition it and drag it wherever I want it to be. Now we're gonna go ahead and make sure that this is just like one line, and we're gonna keep the rotation around 0. Now the other cool thing is you can also adjust the opacity of it as well. That's just if you want to adjust the opacity. But the padding is also one of the most coolest parts. This basically will adjust like how many rows are gonna be on your content. So we're gonna go ahead and increase the padding up to 52, so that way we have captions like that, and then we might increase that size until it's a bit larger. We might move it down or maybe up like this. Let's put it right here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And it'll automatically snap to center. And then once we're done, we can literally just go ahead and hit Generate Captions, and it'll automatically place these captions for us on our timeline. So I'm gonna move this like this, and voila, look at this, check this out on my timeline right now, guys. It is going to add all of our captions in just 3, 2, and 1. And boom, look at that, check that out. Oh wow, that is crazy. Just applying all those captions to our entire timeline, and done. Just like that, it placed 245 captions onto our timeline. We can go ahead and click done, and voila, look at that. We got all of our captions added to our video. So as you can see, I kind of messed up the placement. I kind of rotated it a little bit, and it's changed the opacity. I didn't want to do that, but it's super easy. If we want to change this, we can literally just go ahead and click any one of these boxes, and then we can go ahead and back to our font outline, and we can change any of these right here in any of the styling. And then of course, once I go ahead and hit preview and generate, we can have those reapplied. So you can see it regenerated them, and then we can go ahead and adjust the stylization of these. There's a bunch of different settings right here. You can see I messed up the opacity earlier, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and reapply them. just by clicking reset, and boom, just like that, we'll now add our new captions to our entire timeline. So I can go ahead and just turn off the visibility of this past layer, and then it'll go ahead and render these new captions for us. We'll create the previews, it'll download them, and it'll place them onto our timeline. Here is a final result of some of the captions.
So did you know that Premiere Pro is now on mobile? So quick story time. For the past few months, I actually got this crazy opportunity to be selected and secretly begin beta testing and providing feedback on the new Premiere Pro mobile app.
Hopefully you guys found something valuable from this tutorial. Now, the cool thing about this AI Claude plugin is that it doesn't only just add captions. There's also a Claude mode where it can go ahead and analyze what you're seeing in the video. It'll understand the topic of the video, and it'll edit out all the bad repeated takes actually based off of the topic, not just based off of detected repeated words or filler words or silent segments. It'll actually cut out an entire rough draft of your edit for you automatically in just a couple clicks. So if you want to check out that video and how you can automatically edit your videos, whether it's long form content, whether it's short form content, automatically in just one click, you can check out this video linked right here.